guys, today is such a beautiful day, beautiful Sunday. So I just thought of having a ride through the Bay Bridge, the Oakland San Francisco Bay Bridge. Then if we, depending on the time that we have, we'll divert and go to Treasure Island. Treasure Island is an island between the Bay Bridge. So this trip will take about 30 minutes drive. I don't know if we don't find traffic by the plaza. Otherwise it's 30 minutes drive through the Bay Bridge and back and make a lay-by at Treasure Island. It's such a beautiful tourist attraction point here in California. All right, join me in this ride, join me in this trip, beautiful trip, and let's get to know and see places. I'm driving on 880 North freeway. This is Eggenberger Road, exit to Eggenberger. Then that stadium right there in front of us, that's the old Golden State Warriors Stadium. Golden State Warriors Stadium. That's where they used to, that's their old stadium. But now they moved, they're now in San Francisco. Chase Center. Their new stadium is called Chase Center. Enjoying this ride because there's no traffic, at least for now. It's a smooth ride, and like I always say, I like this 5 lane one way and 5 lane the other side, going the opposite direction. Just reduces some unnecessary traffic jam. This is High Street, Alameda. If you want to go to Alameda City, it's also an island, only accessed through the tube and the 3 bridges. So you take exit here if you're going to Alameda. But for us, we are hitting straight on. Usually traffic over the weekend is not that bad, especially if a Friday before the weekend is not a holiday. The traffic over the weekend is slightly smooth. Not until when we start getting towards the Bay Bridge. This is 23rd Avenue, 5th Avenue, and Oak Street. Street, 5th Avenue. Right now I'm driving, the speed is 71 miles per hour. guys, this is San Francisco Berkeley 880 North. Somebody seems to have been put up. I can see the cop there. What's that making noise? It's clicking noise. Exit is 7th Street, West Grand Avenue, then San Francisco. You take exit on 80. Guys, that's Oakland Port. Actually, it's called Port of Oakland. If you want to ship a car from California to pretty much any destination, you go to the Port of Oakland. You can ship cars, can ship goods, except humans. Yeah, it's only 5 minutes drive away from where I am right now. Then you'll be at the Port of Oakland. Yeah, very soon, guys, we'll be getting to the famous Bay Bridge. The Bay Bridge connects Oakland Bay and San Francisco. Look at the mountains, look at the hills in front of me. So yeah, there are 2 lanes, so you can either take San Rafael, Sacramento, or San Francisco. So we are taking on this one, it's taking us to San Francisco. So far the traffic is smooth. I only see 2 cars ahead of me. Yeah, that's why I like going to San Francisco when it's over the weekend. The traffic is so smooth. There's literally nothing here. What you are seeing over there, guys, that's the water that demarcates Oakland Bay and San Francisco. Very soon we'll get Plaza. But these days they have improved their system. The system will just capture the car details, and off you go. Slowly. That's what it is. Getting to San Francisco, the city, at least you find some traffic. Oh. So I tend to go. So guys, we are now entering the Bay Bridge. The Bay Bridge, the old Bay Bridge was once involved in an earthquake, and it got damaged. So they had to rebuild a new one. So the one that we are going to drive on is basically a new bridge, suspended bridge. They started building it somewhere around 2010, 2012. We basically saw it being built. Such a beautiful and marvel piece of work. Yeah, we are on now Bay Bridge. shaking. It's suspended. Yeah, it's one of the longest bridges here in California. And in America, the entire America. Suspended Bay Bridge that connects the Oakland Bay to San Francisco. Maybe let me just take an exit on here and just go to Treasure Island. Friends invested in infrastructure. Treasure Island. This is my first time coming using this new street. It was newly built. Guys, just on the other side is Atlantic Ocean. Just imagine that. Guys, I guess we can find